Hey, welcome back to True-Moto-Resto, and today I'm going to continue with the charging system on the CB900F. So it's Rick's Motorsport Electrics. Still nicely wrapped. It is bubble wrapped as well. So I am going to test it. Tester, just so we can be sure. Alright, so today's job is I'm going to change out the rotor for the new one that I got, and then I'm going to put the battery back in, fuel it back up, and see if we've got see if we have it charging now after I get that done. This is a new Rick's Motorsports electronic stator. Sorry, not stator, rotor. So first job is to pull the old one off. So I bought a puller, flywheel puller. Hopefully I bought the right one. I'm pretty sure I did. Let's get that off. Alright. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to need this strap wrench on here or not, but I've got it on just in case. Got my 17mm impact wrench on here. All right, have to get it with the breaker bar. Got that. I'll zip it off the rest of the way with this. Where the thing's on there. Well, I'm assuming they want you to put this supplied grease on the bolt. Otherwise, why would they give it to you, I guess? She's not moving anymore. All right, got it off. Just a couple of smacks with a hammer and the impact wrench, and it finally came off. Just take a look at the back here. They appear to be identical, which is a good start. Let's see if I can find a torque spec for that bolt. Okay. So everything is back on. The new rotor's on. The stator cover and everything are back on. And the reg rec is connected back up again. Battery's in, and we're going to fire it back up and see what happens with the voltage. See if I'm getting any charging now. So right now static, I'm getting about 12.8 volts. And we'll see what happens as it fires up. Hopefully I'm actually getting some charging now. Okay, so still no charging going on, and so that means now I'm gonna have to check other things, maybe a new new voltage regulator rectifier. Yeah, that's not good. I thought for sure that was gonna solve my problem, but apparently not. I'll go back and double check all my grounds again as well. See what's going on. Just make sure everything is good there.